Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Why not give it a go in the Feed Polly Parrot game? Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly sentences that Polly says. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Rebecca Rabbit is a happy frog.
Rebecca Rabbit is a happy frog.
Try another one. Pedro Pony is a funny banana.
Pedro Pony is a funny banana.
Try another one. Susie Sheep is a big car.
Susie Sheep is a big car.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a green monkey.
Peppa Pig is a green monkey.
Try another one. Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. George is a silly pig.
George is a silly pig.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a red pumpkin.
Danny Dog is a red pumpkin.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Try another one. There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Can you see your score? Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Try the garden. Where could she be? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the bedroom. Is she hiding in the bedroom? Where could she be? Try the bedroom. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the garden. You've found her. Polly, where are you? Try the bedroom. Is she hiding in the bedroom? Try the bedroom. Where could she be? Try the bedroom. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the garden. Where could she be? Try again. Well done. You've won a sticker. You've found her. There are lots of fun games to play here.